Hello friends, welcome to Science Tutor. In this video, we shall be considering the organic compounds which are called the alkanoic acids. The alkanoic acids are also known as the carboxylic acids. They are the carboxylic group of compounds having the general molecular formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH. This is what they are known for. They have the OH. So this has to do with the functional group, the OH. So every member of the series will go after the OH. That makes them to have the same resemblance. Now don't forget, we have the C2HN 2n plus 1, which represents the alkyl group as we stated in previous videos. So the alkyl group attached to the functional group COOH is also a way of expressing the alkanoic acids. Arrow represents the alkyl group, while COOH represents the functional group. The functional group. You know, the functional group is what takes care of the chemical properties of the compound. So this is how to write the alkanoic acids. Don't forget the values of N is greater than or equal to 0. So with the knowledge of this, we can write as many compounds as we can. For example, when N is equal to 0, so I simply substitute N here. Automatically, this is 0, so I have just H. So I have HCOOH. Remember, we said the OH, so HCOOH simply represents the compound metanoic acid. Metanoic acid. Metanoic, it's having just one hydrogen attached to the functional group. So one carbon structure goes like this: carbon bonded by the functional group. We have CO, then we have the OH. This is how they are drawn: COOH, OH attached to the hydrogen. So this represents the metanoic acid. They have this functional group written in this form attached to a double bond, oxygen, a CO double bond, and then an OH. So metanoic acid is the first member for N equals 0. When N is equal to 1, we substitute 1 here, so we have C. 1 here makes CH3COOH. The name of this compound is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is an acid structure: carbon bonded by 1, 2, 3 hydrogen, another carbon that carries the functional group. Like I said, the functional group is what takes care of the chemical properties of the compound. Okay, now remember CH3, it simply means each of these is attached hydrogen, and then we have the functional group. So this is how to draw ethanoic acid. I'm able to do this, remember, because I know the formula of the alkanoic or the carboxylic acids. They have the same name, they are called the same way, either alkanoic acids or carboxylic acids. When N is equal to 2, when N is 2, we substitute 2 here, so we have C2. 2 here is 4 plus 1, that is 5, C2H5, COOH. This is called propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. 3 carbon atoms, so propanoic acid. So we simply have the structure C2, carbon to carbon bond. We have the functional group, so 5 hydrogen attached to this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the C comes into play, this one attached to the functional group, which is written like this. So this is known as propanoic acid. The list goes on and on, With a good knowledge of the formula, students can write as much compounds considering the alkanoic acids using the formula. I'm sure we got value from this video. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share my videos for more persons to see. See you for more videos. Bye for now.